Hey guys, so I just want to take a moment and go over the surface area of a rectangular prism with you guys. So that's this kind of shape here. Basically a rectangle that is like a cube sort of ish. So we want to find out the area of the whole thing. Well, typically we have height and we have base. And if we just had one little square here or rectangle, we could multiply the height by the base, or length times width, whatever you want to call it. But this side times this side. So we're going to call this one the length. But in a rectangular prism, we've got two of those, right? We've got the one at the front, and then we've got the one that's at the back. So we have to have 2 times the length times the height. Then we have these side pieces. And in this case, it's going to be the width times the height. But we've got 2 of those again, don't we? So this side, that whole side, picture like a big fish tank, the 2 sides of the fish tank. So we've got 2 times width times height. And then we got one more. We haven't talked about the top piece and the bottom piece, which would be the width times the length. So we're going to put that over here and add to it 2 times width times length. Okay? So all we have to do is plug in some numbers. Let's say our height is 6, our length is 4.5, and our width, let's make it a little bigger because it looks bigger. Let's make that 9. And now we just take these numbers and plug them in over here. So we have 2, what's our length? 4.5. And our height is 6. And then we'll work that out. Then we have to add that to 2 times our width. Our width is 9. And our height is 6. And then our last one is 2 times width times length. So we've got our width is 9. Oops, I forgot my little 2. 9 times 4.5. All right, so we need to do 4.5 times 6 to get this little answer. 27. Now we have our 2 on the outside, and we multiply that all by 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4, plus 5. Now I have that 0 at the end. I'm going to bring that down here and add my 0. So this number is 540. Now we're going to add it to this next number. I'm sure you guys know 6 times 9 is 54 times 2 . So we're going to add that to 108. And then over here, now we need 9 times, oops, I better put it up here, 4.5 times 9. I have 1 decimal in. Oops, and actually, I forgot to do that over here. Boop. So 54, 108, plus 40.5. If you tell me the answer to this question, I will give you 5, count them, 5 extra credit points. Let me know.